Hello. Hello, we're back. On our way to the Food and Wine Festival at EPCOT. It's our first time doing it this year. Usually we go twice, but this time we only got to go once because we like missed it by one day. And I am repping one of the mascots of the event. And I am not. I am repping Anna, who's not a mascot of the event. Anyone can cook. What are some of your things you're looking forward to? Definitely the butternut squash ravioli, because that was one of my favorites last year. And I would like to try something from the Alps because it's a new booth. Why are you cutting me out of the shot? I'm trying to see where I'm walking. Okay, we're going into the lobby. Yes, continue. And then, what else? Oh, we're gonna do the mimosa flight. I'm really excited about that. I still think so. And, I don't know. Is there anything else that we're gonna do? Oh, I like that ice cream. But we don't want that ice cream. We don't really have ice cream. No. It's also national. I really like, you know, I love the spicy hummus fries, so I want to get those. It's also National Chocolate Day. Oh, part of your. So we'll have to get chocolate. I'm also maybe thinking, oh my god, what is that? I'm also thinking of maybe trying the new chocolate bread pudding in Mexico because it's National Chocolate Day. So and it has a chocolate cinnamon sauce, and that sounds really good. So that does sound good. My favorite thing in the festival is underrated. It is the Irish chocolate vanilla cake. It's like a chocolate cake, and they like, oh my god, it's so good. Underrated. It's there, like it's been there for the past like 10,000 years. What else do I wanted to try? We're heading out to our car now to drive to EPCOT, so we'll. Oh, jeez, I know what I want to try. That chocolate nitro truffle with like the bourbon. Oh yeah, I did too. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna hopefully try all those things and more. We'll see you at the festival. Signature thumbs up. Signature thumbs up. When you get into the park, it's right where you click in. You can get these like passports. Festival passports. They have them for every festival. And it has everything that they have at each stand. Really so you can like plan out what you want to do in advance. Yeah. And a fun thing is that they have a sticker book, so you can like put where you went. Stickers where you went. Yeah, so you add the corresponding sticker to each destination you visit. So much fun. So we have made it to World Showcase. Here we are in World Showcase. Cara? Cara, what did we find out? Stop, shimmering sips for mimosas. What else can you get there? You can also get banana almond soft serve sundae, cheesecake trio, and a shimmering strawberry soft serve. So a little more like dessert. Sugary dessert. Have, like, tons of different mimosas, and they even have a frozen mimosa. Wow. Cara, what will you be getting? I don't know yet. We'll check back in a minute. Oh my god, cheersing! Cheersing! Wait, here's the live taste. Wait, what did everyone get?
Tropical mimosa.
Blood orange mimosas.
I feel like these colors should be opposite.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Like that's not.
It's very good. No, this is blood orange.
Blood orange.
So it's like this.
No, almost like a little grapefruity, right? But not as bitter.
No, I think that's what. That's blood orange, I think. Oh, thumbs up. Yeah, this is a thumbs up for me.
Definitely a thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Very
Dad?
good.
Especially
Nothing.
This tastes like.
Especially after talking about it for a day. Like we saw this yesterday and got it today. So it's really good.
Okay, good. So what was this?
It's like
Shimmering sips. Good. All around. It tastes like juice. Good. Oh my god, a lot of cheersing. A lot of cheersing. Cheers again. Getting in line. Wait, what?
the island of the Caribbean.
We're in the island of the Caribbean. Honorary sister, our friend Anna. Everyone knows our mom. Being awkward. Okay. Passport. So first you have to locate where you were. Then step 2. and then
stamp it on.
dip. We're drinking our sangria.
Here we go. Very light and refreshing.
Yeah, very refreshing.
Kind of fruity.
Yeah.
Now see how it goes with the jerk chicken.
Oh geez. Wait, so what did we get?
We got the empanada.
Sorry.
What? Sorry. The ropa vieja empanada, and then this is jerk spiced chicken with roasted sweet plantain salad and a mango.
Oh my god.
How
does it memorize?
From right over there.
Oh.
Okay.
Not really good.
Pretty good.
Really spicy.
Yeah.
Islands of the Caribbean, thumbs up. Food and beverage, really good.
This is one of the new booths debuting 2019.
Oh yeah, oh
The Alps. Let's go see what's on the menu. Oh my god, they have frozen rosé. Oh my god. Frozen rosé. A wine flight. Oh my god, Swiss cheese. I think that's the fromage. Wait, what is it?
Fromage, fromage, montage.
Where are we? We're in India.
Trying the Indian wine.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Got the Shiraz and I got the
Chenin Blanc.
Oh.
No one got the fromage.
that's good. A little sweet.
How would you rank it on the last wine that you had?
Well, no, we had sangria, so it's different. You can't rank
Okay, no ranking.
No ranking. Still so far, blood orange mimosa, my favorite.
Yeah, I'll say that.
That's still the winner.
So far. Night is
So
young.
far, the night is very young. It's not even dark.
Chill, too. A lot of red wines are served too warm. So
Yeah.
This is a good temp.
Good temperature.
Okay, we got the skewered shrimp.
From wait, where are we? Africa.
Africa with citrus scented couscous. And then, Mommy, what did you get?
This is a coffee rub filet mignon over sweet potato with like a cool like salady thing.
Cool
And
salad
we also want to say really big upgrade to
Yes, look at we're at a table here.
Usually it's just like
so many
perch at,
tables
like, high tops
and
there's, like,
trash
so many
cans.
tables, lots of trash cans, good seating. Much improved.
Just like A+ on seating.
It's actually really, really good.
really flavorful.
Kind of spicy.
Spicy for sure.
Fate, what is like the we're doing a bad job at like ranking
But this is only
the
the second
food.
thing that we eat.
So how does what was the first thing?
Chicken.
Yeah, the jerk chicken. I would say spice about the same.
Yeah. I like the jerk chicken a little better, I think, but I still really like this.
And you get a lot of shrimp.
Yeah, you got 1, 2, 5 shrimp.
Good value. Remember
Good
we said we were
value.
gonna do value? We haven't been doing that. This is good
It's just
value.
very hard to get off of the skewers.
Yeah, this is like a sit down eat type of thing.
Yeah,
this
this is
isn't
not
like grab and go.
First, we're gonna talk about the entertainment in Germany.
A+. We'll insert the picture here.
We don't know the choreography.
Oh yeah,
This is the choreography.
That's the choreography.
Then
both.
Oh, and then both are.
And then trumpet.
solo. And then one.
And then back again. It was a party. Okay.
now this
We
is
also have
Yes,
We got the German lager.
from Germany, obviously. Cara just awkwardly in the middle.
Very good.
Really good.
It's
Oh.
very light.
Reminds me of Hofbrauhaus in where were we?
Munich, Germany.
Munich. Eisfein dry.
Zoffa!
Oh my gosh, German! No chicken tins for me.
chicken tins.
All right, hair has been pulled up.
Hair is up. It's very hot out. We might have a 101 here with the weather. They were like, they said that like the weather's bad, so they might have to close.
Close what?
All the
Like the outside pavilion.
Because it's hot?
I don't know. We don't know. Okay, but we got the rosé. So Anna.
Yeah.
Hard cider. Okay, now I've had this before, so this isn't really a fair taste test.
We're in America also.
This was a draft.
Yeah, it was a draft.
So, draft rosé.
Draft rosé cider, Angry Orchard. Always great.
Yeah, just like
Daddy,
great job.
like your lobster roll.
Thumbs up.
Excellent.
It's
Almost toasted. A
uh-huh.
little, whatever it is, that mayo
Like a
on
herb
top,
mayo.
drizzled.
Just like
A lot of good
outstanding.
He got this last year and had to come back again.
Just like loved it so much. All right, we're in Japan. How's everyone feeling?
Hot. Hair is up.
It's hot.
What?
Are you recording? Are you recording? I am.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
I told you, it's a shock to look at.
Whoa.
Oh my god, getting chopsticks.
Oh my god, look at your sake.
Oh my god.
I know.
Perfect! So the best thing
Yes.
ever.
Try a sip of that. There's no way you can dislike it.
It tastes like
Kool-Aid.
yeah, or like a Jolly Rancher melted.
Oh. Oh my god, so much lightning. Okay, go.
Yeah, the noodles are cold.
Oh my god, this
It's like a little bit of crunch with like soy sauce. It's good. I promise. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's some tasty thing.
it is good.
It's like an acquired taste,
It's good.
I guess.
No,
but
it's good. It actually is really good.
A plus
So weird, but
frothy
really good.
so
ramen.
weird. Definitely weird. So this is the passion fruit. Sorry, the La Passion Martini. Very refreshing. Super light, very fruity, very sugary.
Just good all around.
Here every day, all day.
Cara, first impression.
So good. This is actually my favorite thing I've gotten all night. Wow.
Wow.
Wine with like a pomegranate syrup, so it's like not super sweet, but it's like has like that hint of like fruity sweetness. It's really good. It's called Cœur à la something. French.
French. Je m'appelle Marc.
You've also you missed us with the cheesy bread because Deirdre wouldn't get out the camera.
I was eating a
And the cheesy
macaroon.
bread we liked, but like it was weird. Like it was almost like a pastry.
It was more like a dough.
Yeah, it was like when you ate it, it like flattened.
Yes, there was no rise.
Not having it.
It was like weird. Like in the moment, I was like, I like this, but now thinking about it, I like never want to eat it again. Yeah. You know?
Yeah, no problem.
My foods of the night were a Mickey pretzel and a chocolate macaroon that you can get all year round. So honestly, I'm killing food and wine.
We're in Ireland.
Oh my gosh, slow. Okay, so we're in Ireland. I got the warm chocolate pudding with the Bailey sauce over top of it. My first food and wine item. I get this every year. It's really good. Here, look at the inside. And it just like oozes.
So,
Really hot.
really hot, really hot,
But really good.
really
Really
good.
hot, but really good. Hold on, we didn't get video in time, obviously.
Because it was really, really good. Butternut squash ravioli.
From Wine and Dine.
Had some pumpkin seeds in there.
It's your favorite thing, right? You get it every
A bit
year.
of like truffle oil or something. Outstanding.
Oh, outstanding. Okay,
I didn't. That is like my favorite thing, and I didn't get it this year.
failed.
But
Okay.
we got the chocolate hazelnut almond.
Oh, like
truffle
freeze-dried.
with like a
Nitro.
bourbon. Nitro.
That's it.
They like scoop it and they put it in like, and it like
Yeah.
smoke
Like
goes everywhere.
pumpkin spice chocolate vodka.
Whoa. And I'm having a pork slider from Hawaii with fresh pineapple.
Okay, Deirdre.
Wait, your food is from where?
Chocolate Studio.
And yours is from Hawaii.
Aloha.
Okay.
Aloha! Really good.
So
Like
Just like-
cold, but not like ice cream. It's really good, and the caramel is really really good.
you should try it.
Okay.
It's so good. It's like literally alcoholic chocolate.
Oh, that is good. Whoa, it's really strong.
All right, food and wine conclusion. We're full. We're full.
We're so full, but we did it. But it was so good. We really loved everything.
Mom, get in. Everyone get in.
Get in. Come on, Dad. Did it the right way.
Yeah, we really like
we spent time. Like you have to like allot like a few hours to just like mill around.
Yeah.
walk in between things that you eat. Like, don't get 4 things at once. Like, oh my god,